Hello dear students, today we are going to understand third lesson of class 9 English Beehive, the little girl. So this lesson or this story is being written by Catherine Mansfield, and in this whole story, इस पूरे lesson में we'll uh, come across Kezia, her father, mother, grandmother, and the maid in the house. And this is a very beautiful relationship between daughter and father. किस तरीके से this Kezia used to be afraid of her father, but how circumstances, situation changes, and beforehand she was scared, but after these situations, after these circumstances, she starts loving her father. So same thing is with us also. As children, we grow up by different acts of our parents. We realize that they are very harsh, they are very strict, very rude to us. But later on, after some time, we understand no, when my parents were strict on me, they were forcing something on me, that was for my benefit. So, this lesson will help you to understand that bondage between Kezia and her father. The same way, we have to make our bond strong with our parents, because when parents do something for us, they do it for our benefit. हमारे भले के लिए ही वो करते हैं. Okay, so enjoy this lesson, and this is the first part of the little girl. So, due to this pandemic, CBSE has reduced your 30% syllabus. So the lessons which have been deleted or got deleted from your Beehive book, they are poem, The Lake Isle of Innisfree, lesson, The Snake and the Mirror, again the poem, Duck and the Kangaroo, lesson, Kathmandu, and again the poem, A Slumber Did My Spirit Say. Okay, so these 5 things have been got deleted from your syllabus. To the girl, he was a figure to fear and avoid it. So, as this story starts, this lesson starts, the first sentence is, to the little girl, he was a figure to fear and avoid it. Now, who is this figure? ये figure कौन है जिससे ये लड़की क्या कर रही है, डर रही है और उसको avoid करना चाहती है. So this figure is about her father, and this little girl name is Kezia. So this figure is Kezia's father. Every morning before going to work, he came into her room and gave her a casual kiss, to which she responded with, "Goodbye, father." So what was this father's duty? क्या काम करता था? Every morning, हर सुबह रोज की तरह वो उसके कमरे में आता था, उसको किस करता था, बिफोर गोइंग टू हिज ऑफिस. अपने काम पे जाने से पहले वो उसके कमरे में आकर के उसको किस करता था, और सिर्फ लड़की का रिस्पॉन्स होता था, उसका जवाब होता था, गुड बाय फादर. एंड ओ, there was a glad sense of relief when she heard the noise of carriage growing fainter and fainter down the long road. So she used to become very happy. बहुत खुश हो जाती थी. कैसे खुश हो जाती थी? जब उसको मालूम पड़ता था, उसको एहसास होता था कि जो उसका कैरियज है, जिस गाड़ी में, जिस चीज में उसका फादर ऑफिस जाता है, काम पे जाता है, जैसे जैसे उसकी कैरियर की आवाज धीरे धीरे कम होनी शुरू होती थी, उसको एहसास होता था, मालूम पड़ता था कि वो दूर चला गया है, उसके पापा दूर हो गए हैं, घर से चले गए हैं. उस समय वो रिलीफ, अ सेंस ऑफ रिलीफ, सुकून की सांस लिया करती थी. In the evening, when he came home, she stood near the staircase and heard his loud voice in the hall. And in the evening, शाम को क्या होता था, जब वो वापस आता था काम से, वो सिर्फ सीढ़ियों के पास खड़ी रहती थी और अपने पापा की जोरदार आवाज को सुना करती थी. Bring my tea into the drawing room. Hasn't the paper come yet? Mother, go and see if my paper's out there and bring my slippers. So only she used to hear. उसको सिर्फ सुनाई पड़ता था. क्या सुनाई पड़ता था? जैसे वो वापस आता था, सिर्फ वो अपनी चाय के बारे में, अपने पेपर के बारे में, अपनी चीजों के बारे में ही पूछता था. Okay? So this was his daily routine. सुबह ऑफिस जाते समय केजिया को किस करना है, केजिया का रिस्पॉन्स होना है, गुड बाय फादर. और शाम को वापस आके सिर्फ एक ही काम होना है. केजिया स्टेयरकेस के पास में खड़ी रहती थी और उसका पापा अपनी चाय के लिए, न्यूज़पेपर के लिए, चप्पलों के लिए पूछता रहता था. ओके. केजिया मदर वुड कॉल टू हर, if you are a good girl, you can come down and take off your father's boot. So we have seen that when father used to come, she used to stand near the staircase. staircase के पास में खड़ी रहती थी और उसकी मम्मी उसको बुलाती हैं और बोलती हैं that if you are a good girl, remove your father's boot. आप अच्छी बच्ची हो, अपने पापा के जूतों को निकालो. Slowly the girl would slip down the stairs more slowly, still across the hall, and push upon the drawing room door. So slowly वो धीरे धीरे नीचे उतर करके आती थी और बेमन से, she was not willing but unwillingly she used to come and do as her mother used to ask her. वो अपने जो उसकी मम्मी उसको बोलती थी उस चीजों को करती थी. By that time, he had his specs on and looked at her over them in a way that was terrifying to the little girl. और जब तक वो कमरे में आती थी, ड्राइंग रूम में आती थी, उसके पापा क्या कर लेते थे, स्पेक्स लगा करके उसको, you would have noticed, लोग नाक के ऊपर में चश्मा रख करके देखते हैं, चश्मे के थ्रू नहीं बट इन बिटवीन, बीच में से देखते हैं. एंड दैट लुक, उस तरीके का लुक जो हुआ करता था, वो उस छोटी बच्ची के लिए, केजिया के लिए, दैट वाज टेरिफाइंग, उससे वो बहुत डर जाती थी. वेल केजिया, hurry up and pull off these boots and take them outside. Have you been a good girl today? So उसके पापा उससे बोलता था, क्या बोलता था, that okay, take off, pull off these boots, मेरे जूते निकालो और इनको बाहर ले जाओ. And then he used to ask her, उससे पूछा था कि have you been a good girl today? क्या तुम आज अच्छे से रही, ठीक से रही? And what was her reply? I don't know, father. You don't know? If you stutter like that, mother will have to take you to the doctor. So if you notice that she used to stammer, हकलाती थी. And his father says, if you will stammer like that, if you stutter like that, ऐसे हकलाओगे, then I will ask your mother, मैं तुम्हारी